Okay. So what is solution first of all? A solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Okay. A homogeneous mixture of two or more substances is known as a solution. So a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. Now the substances which are present in the solution are called what? These are called what? Components. Called what? Components of the solution. Okay. And in a particular solution, if suppose we have a binary solution, so that means we have two components. Okay. So for a binary solution, so there are two components. Okay, there are two components. For a binary solution, we have two components, and out of the two components, one component is in small proportion and other component is in large proportion. The component which is in small proportion is known as the solute, and the component which is in large proportion is known as the solvent. Okay, so we have solute and solvent. Now we can say a solution is a homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. Okay, what is solute and solvent? So we have solute plus solvent is equal to what? Solution. Okay. So a solution is a homogeneous mixture of two or more substances. If only two substances are there, that is called a binary solution. And in the binary solution, the component which is in the small proportion is called what? Solute. Small proportion. Okay. And solvent is what? Is in what? Large proportion. Clear? When you think about your solid liquid solution, a given amount of a particular amount of solute are dissolved in a particular amount of what? Solvent. That means we need to dissolve a certain amount of substance in a given amount of the solvent. So we have to, and that is called what? Concentration of the solution. Okay. So now we'll discuss what? Concentration of solution. So what is your concentration of solution? Concentration of solution is the amount of solute present in a given amount of solvent or solution. What amount of solute is present there in the given amount of solvent or solution? And this concentration we can express in a number of ways, like what? Strength. Okay. So many are there, but we will discuss some important topics. Strength you can express. You can take your mole fraction. You can take your molarity. You can take your molality. You can take your normality. We can take your percentage. We can take your mass fraction, We can take parts per million ppm. So many methods are there to express the concentration of solutions. Strength, mole fraction, molarity, molality, normality, percentage, mass fraction, ppm, many are there. So already some of these things we discussed in the class 11th. So here we just will have a repetition of some important things which is required in this class. You will repeat about strength, mole fraction, molarity, molality. Okay. Now so these four are the most important for this chapter point of view. Okay. So first of all, okay, what is your strength? What is your strength? Strength of a solution is the amount of substance in gram present per liter of the solution. Okay, what your strength of a solution is the amount of solute in gram present per liter of the solution. Okay, suppose so what is this your strength is equal to 1000 into W by V in ml. Okay, 1000 W by V in ml. Okay, that means what W is what mass of substance present, or you can say the solute. Okay, and V is what volume of solution in what, in ml. Okay, so if W gram of solute is present in V milliliter of the solution, so then the strength of the solution is given by what, S is equal to 1000 W by V in ml. Okay, for example, 4 gram of NaOH is dissolved, okay, in 200 ml of solution. Find the strength. So here you see 4 gram of NaOH is dissolved in 200 ml of solution. Find the strength of solution. So what we will do? Simply volume is equal to what? 200 ml. W volume V is what? 200 ml. Now W equal to what? 4 gram, given 4 gram. Therefore strength S is equal to 1000 into W by V in ml is equal to what? 1000 into how much is W? 4 gram by what the volume? 200 ml. Okay, so look at what is equal to what? 20 gram per liter. So 20 gram per liter is the strength of this solution. Okay, so 4 gram NaOH, you can say 4 gram NaOH is dissolved in 200 ml of solution. So 200 ml of solution contains 4 gram. So 1 ml will contain what? 4 by 200. So 1000 ml will contain what? 4 by 200 into 1000, that is equal to what? The 20 gram per liter. Is what is the strength of the solution. Clear? Now next. So next is what? Mole fraction. What is mole fraction? See, first of all, what is the mole? Mole is the weight of substance by molecular mass. Okay, see, number of mole fraction. Mole fraction. Okay, first of all, number of moles is equal to mass by molar mass. Okay, mass by molar mass. Suppose we have W of A. Let me see, W gram of A is and WB of W gram of A and W gram of B are present in a solution. Okay, suppose this is your A is your suppose solvent and B is what? Your solid. Okay, so weight of solute equal to what? WB, and weight of solvent is what? WA. Okay, now later your molecular mass of A equal to what? M of A, and molecular mass of B equal to what? M of B. Okay, now therefore number of moles of solute, solute code what is the solute here? Solute is what? B. Okay, XB. Number of moles of solute is what? N of B equal to what? Mass of B, WB, by molecular mass of B, and M of B. So mass of B by molecular mass of B is equal to number of moles of B. Similarly, number of moles of solvent Na equal to what? Mass of A by molecular mass of A. Okay, now we have number of moles of solute NB equal to what? This much, and number of moles of solvent what? This much. Na. Okay, now we can write mole fraction. Okay, write mole fraction of solute, that is what? X solute is equal to what? Number of moles of solute divided by number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. Okay, so this is equal to what? Number of moles of solute divided by number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. So mole fraction of a component means number of moles of that component divided by total number of moles in the solution. Okay, so what you can write now? X solute is equal to number of moles of solute is what? N of B by N of B plus N of A. Okay, and similarly your mole fraction of solvent is equal to what? X solvent equal to what? Number of moles of solvent divided by number of solvent is Na divided by Na plus Nb. So mole fraction of a particular component is equal to number of moles of that component divided by total number of moles. Okay, so X solvent equal to Na by Nb plus Na, and X solvent equal to what? Na by Na plus Nb. Now if I add this to X solvent plus X solvent equal to what? Nb by Nb plus Na plus Na by Na plus Nb equal to how much? 1. So number of moles of your mole fraction of solute plus mole fraction of solvent is equal to what? 1. Okay. Now you can examine this with help of numerical. Suppose you wrote 4 gram of, get a question now. 4 gram of NaOH, okay, 4 gram of NaOH and 1.8 gram of H2O are present 1.8 gram of H2O are present in a solution. Find out the mole fraction of NaOH and water. So how can you find out? See, first of all, number of moles of NaOH is equal to what? Weight of NaOH divided by molecular mass of NaOH, okay, is equal to what? Weight of NaOH is how much? 4 gram divided by molecular mass of NaOH how much? 23 plus 16 plus 1 and what? 40 equal to what? 1 by 10 equal to what? 0.1. Now your number of moles of H2O equal to what? Weight of H2O divided by molecular mass of H2O. This is equal to what? Weight of H2O how much given here? 1.8 gram divided by number of your molecular mass H2O how much? 2 plus 18 equal to what? Equal to 1 by 10 what? 0.1. Now mole fraction of NaOH, X of NaOH is equal to what? Number of moles of NaOH divided by number of moles of NaOH plus number of moles of H2O. This is equal to what? Number of moles of NaOH how much given? 0.1 given by 0.1 plus 0.1 equal to what? 0.1 by 0.2 equal to what? 1 by 2 equal to what? 0.5. Okay. Similarly, we go for X of water, mole fraction of H2O equal to how much? You can write number of moles of H2O, N of H2O divided by N of H2O plus N of NaOH equal to how much? 0.1 again 0.1 by 0.1 plus 0.1 is equal to 0.1 by 0.2 is equal to 1 by 2 equal to 0.5. So the mole fraction of NaOH is 0.5 and also the mole fraction of H2O is 0.5. Okay. This is about what mole fraction and strength. Now molarity and molality. Now next is the molarity. Molarity. So what is the molarity? Molarity is the number of moles of solute dissolved per liter of the solution. Okay, how many moles of solute are dissolved in 1 liter of the solution, that is called what you know, molarity. Okay, molarity M. Okay, so here you see, and M equal what you know, 1000 into W by V into molecular mass. Okay, so W M is what you know, M is your molarity, V is what you know, volume of solution in ml, and W is what you know, weight of solute in gram. Okay, and mm is what is the molecular mass of solute. Okay, so if W gram of solute is present in V ml of solution, so then molarity is what 1000 W by V into molecular mass. Okay, now if we have a numerical here, suppose question 4 gram of NaOH is dissolved in 200 ml of solution. Find the molarity. See here, weight of solute W is what 4 gram. Okay, now molecular mass of NaOH is how much here? 23 plus 16 plus 1 is 40. Now volume of solution B is given how much here? 200 ml. Therefore molarity M equal to 1000 into W by V into molecular mass is equal to what? 1000 into W is how much given here? 4 given by V how much given here? 200 ml into molecular mass how much? 40. So cancel out equal to what? 1 by 2 equal to what? 0.5 molar. So the molarity of the solution is what? 0.5 molar. Okay, now next. Molality. Swollen. What is the molality? Molality of a solution is the number of moles of solute present per 1000 gram of the solvent. Okay, so how many moles of solute are present there in 1000 gram of the solvent? That is called what? Molality. Okay, so molarity M is equal to 1000 into W by W into minus. Okay, so small w is what? Mass of solute. This is what? Mass of solvent. This is what? Molar mass of solute. Molar mass of solute. Okay, and M is what? Molarity. Okay, so now let us see how can you calculate the molarity. Okay, suppose 4 gram of NaOH dissolved in 4 gram of NaOH is dissolved in 1.8 gram of (200 gram of water. Find out the molality. See, 4 gram of NaOH is dissolved in 200 gram of H2O. Find out the molality. You see, weight of solute is equal to how much? 4 gram. Okay. Now weight of solvent equal what? 200 gram. Okay. Now molecular mass of solute M of NaOH equal to how much? 40. So therefore molarity M is equal to 1000 into W by W into what? Molecular mass is equal to what? 1000 into W. How much W here? 4 by capital W. How much here? 200 into what the molecular mass of 40 here. Okay. So this is cancel out. Equal what? 0.5 molal. Okay, so 0.5 molar. So molarity, this is what? Molality. So molality here is what? 0.5 molar. Okay, and this way of expressing the concentration is most important. Okay, in whenever we are going to study about the different kind of solutions, because of this molality value is not changing with change of temperature. Okay, so molarity is the most of the one of the most convenient method of expressing the concentration. Okay, and this we will use throughout this chapter. Okay, now next we will have the normality. So what is normality? Normality is the number of gram equivalent of the solute present per liter of the solution. How many gram equivalents are there in 1 liter of the solution? So that is called what? Normality. So normality N is equal to what? 1000 into W by V into equivalent mass. Okay. So and this double by is equal to what? Number of gram equivalents. Okay. So how many gram equivalents of the solute present in 1000 ml of solution? That is called what? Normality. Okay. So suppose here W is what? Weight of solute in gram. E is what? Equivalent weight of solute. V is what? Volume of solution, and N is what? The normality. Okay. Now see how can you solve a numerical here? See, so 4 gram of NaOH is dissolved in 200 ml of solution. 4 gram of NaOH dissolved in 200 ml of solution. Find the normality. Okay. So here you see weight of solute W equal what? 4 gram. Now equivalent weight of NaOH is what? Your molecular mass by basicity equal value 40 by 1 equal kate 40. So now normality n equal value 1000 into double by v into equal weight equal value 1000 into double how much 4 by v how much 200 ml into what is your equal weight 40. Okay, so cancel out equal value 0.5 normal. So the normality of this suspension value 0.5. Okay, so instead of this also we have the percentage parts per million. Okay, but in this point here of this chapter we need these things: normality, molarity, molality, and more functions to express the concentration of the solution.